Great. So this is the video for the final enhancement. Phew, it was a lot. Okay. Um, well, I will show that I don't have, well, I only have two reviews in the database. Um, well, I will show that I can't, um, I can't enter a review or a comment because I am not logging. And well, I can see the different reviews. I will log it. Okay. Here, here are the two reviews. Okay. So I will enter a review. I want one for my birthday. Okay. Okay. And here we can see my own review. And well, I will show that it's not displayed in the others review. Okay. Um, okay. Update. I will see the review that I previously added. Okay. I will try to edit. If I edit, the text area is enabled, so I can edit. I don't know. I will delete this. I will update. Okay. The command was update successfully. Hit close. Okay. And now I will delete. Well, I will show that. I will show that the change are in the database. Okay. And now I will delete. Okay. And the comments is not there, and neither is in the database. Great. Well, now I will show the valid CSS tools. Okay. Okay. And I will show the responsiveness. And if I go to garbage type, we can see the responsiveness too. Okay. Okay. Great. Um. Great. So now I will show the review controller. Well, this is to add a new review case. Okay, then enter in the vehicles controller with all the data that we need to display the the review for every different cars. Okay. Uh, yes, and this is when the function in the model, and again here go to the vehicles controller to display the information or the reviews that we need. Well, the same model follow for the update case. Okay, and the delete case. Okay, okay, to display the reviews in the admin view, um, I wrote this code in the default session in the account inside the account controller, and well, I get the client ID from the session and the review client. Well, this function is in the model and in the model account. Okay, and well, in this way we display in the admin uh, the difference review. Okay, about the model account and reviews model. Here is the different functions to submit a review. Okay, get a review by car using the inventory ID. Get a specific review using the review ID, and get a review by client using the client ID, and delete a review, sorry, using the review ID too. Okay, you update a specific review. Yes. When we want to update and not only and not insert. Yes. Well, in the get review by client, I use join, and in the get review by card, yes, join. And well, in the reviews controller, as we showed before, um, we receive the different input uh, all by post with a different filter, verifying that are empty. And if all is well, we call the different function in the previous model. And then we okay. Then we go to the well, in the update case note, we only send a message that the review was updated. Okay, but in the others, we say that we receive the different input. We check that are not empty, and well, then we send the information to the reviews model, and uh, we send the success message, success of message. Okay, the same in the delete review. Here we cut the function in the reviews model. Well, this is the reviews table, and well, we can see that the different rows or columns are called like review ID, review text, review date. The inf ID is joined with the inventory table, and the client ID is joined with the clients table. So how we can be sure that the information come here and not in other table? Um, well, this is for how the functions in the reviews model work. Okay, or work in the same way. There is not so much different, but we receive I'm looking for a but we receive, for example, the different input from the previous controller. We create the connection, and the security statement say update reviews. Yes, this is the name of the day when we want to update the data. And we say set review text, making reference to the review text row, okay, equal to review text placeholder, where the review ID is equal to the review ID placeholder. We prepare the connection, and then we bind the values, the placeholder with the different values. So in this way, well, we after execute the query and insert the information to the data, and we verify that the rows have changed. If return one mean our mean that it's successful, okay. But in this way, we are ensured that the data is stored in the reviews table and not in other table. Okay.